Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this 4K dash cam to do a review. It's a TX100 model number. So let's open it up, look at its features, and give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Have a user's manual, warranty card, this looks like the rear camera and cable. The auxiliary power for your vehicle, USB-C that plugs into the actual dash cam. Little tool there. And this is the actual dash cam. This sticks to the windshield, and once it's stuck to the windshield, just clean your windshield, peel and stick that on. This will tilt up or down to gain the best visibility. On the side you have the Type-C port there that your power source goes in. You have the SIM card that's already inside here, you can see that. And then you have the secondary port for your rear camera. Comes with a cleaning cloth, warning label that you can peel and stick to your vehicle. A couple of wipes. One's wet, one's dry, and an extra peel and stick adhesive. And if you look on the bottom of the dash cam, you can go into the menu setting here, scroll up and down arrows, and then hit OK to select. You can snap still pictures with this, and you can set up audio as well as video on this camera. It'll record in like 1 minute loops, download to your phone, and you can select video clips as needed for saving or for review later. So let's hook it up and see what it looks like. Okay, right now, just for demonstration purposes, I have this on my dash, the camera. I have not adhered it to the windshield yet. I haven't run the cables. I just wanted to see how it recorded on the app itself. And then I also have the back camera right now is just on the back seat. So let's go into the app and see what it looks like. Okay, here you see the recorder is being connected to my Wi-Fi. Once that's connected, then you're able to record. You can see the recording, and this is at night. I want to point out this is the miles per hour being traveled, 22 miles per hour. You have the altitude on the left-hand side. And you can see the night vision is pretty clear. Then also I want to point out you can hit the map and it'll give you your present location or where you've traveled to. So this is a close-up of the downloaded file. You can see on the upper left-hand corner it's indicating that it's recording. You can turn the microphone on or off. Then download your file. This 4K dash cam is very, very clear and easy to use once you get it connected to your app. I like the fact that it records both the front and the back cameras simultaneously. You have the map that indicates where you're presently at and your travel. So I highly recommend this 4K dash cam from TECXLERON.